Singapore's April factory activity posted the worst showing since November 2008, when the global financial crisis occurred. Experts say the manufacturing slump is set to worsen in the coming months.
Singapore's April Purchasing Managers Index, or PMI, dropped 0.7 point to post a further contraction at 44.7, marking the third straight month of decline. A reading above 50 indicates expansion and growth, while falling below that means the sector is shrinking. The PMI publisher, Singapore Institute of Purchasing and Materials Management, or SIPMM, says manufacturers were grappling with order cancellations resulting from the global containment measures of the COVID-19 pandemic. And with the extension of local circuit breaker measures, production capacity weakened further. Even though some manufacturing firms, such as those in the biomedical cluster, are still allowed to operate in this circuit breaker period, other clusters like transport engineering have been affected by air travel restrictions worldwide. One economist says the COVID-19 impact far exceeds any recession in Singapore's history.
I call 2020 as the darkest year in the history of Singapore since independence. And the impact on manufacturing sector will likewise be quite severe because biomedical has been known to be very volatile. It has been ramping up in terms of productions for the past few months already. So I expect within the next 1 to 2 months, you will see a sharp drop.
Although Singapore's PMI results were in the negative territory, they were better than some regional PMIs. One economist thinks the support from the budget packages have buffered the sector from a worse economic fallout. Going forward, the economist suggests that while the manufacturing cycle could reach its bottom in the third quarter, PMI will continue to be in negative territory throughout 2020.
In the second half of 2021, when confidence returns and hopefully when a vaccine is found for the virus, I would think that businesses will gain more confidence, consumers will gain more confidence after that. So we will probably see a very slow recovery, perhaps starting in the middle of next year.